Hi guys, this is lesson 8.3. I can draw and classify angles in a circle. So just to review, angles are actually part of a circle. An acute angle is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90. So we can see this acute angle inside of a circle. Remember, a circle is 360 degrees all the way around. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Here we can see a right angle inside of our circle. A right angle is exactly 1/4 of a circle. It takes 4 right angles to make a circle, or 4 90-degree angles. If we add 90 degrees 4 times, or multiply it by 4, we will get 360 degrees, which is the number of degrees in a circle. A straight angle is exactly 1/2 of a circle, and it is exactly 180 degrees. An obtuse angle is greater than 90, but less than 180. Here's 180 degrees. Remember, a straight angle. So this angle right here is obtuse. I can see that it is greater than a 90-degree angle. A new kind of angle is a reflex angle. We haven't talked about that yet. A reflex angle is a special angle that is greater than 180 degrees. Here's my straight angle. That would be 180. I can see this part where it has gone past 180 degrees, but it is still less than 360. It did not shade all the way around. So a reflex is going to be greater than an obtuse angle. So it's going to be greater than 180, but less than 360. And of course, when we have an angle that is 360 degrees, it is a circle. A circle still has a vertex right in the middle. All right, we're going to use a protractor today to draw an obtuse angle. To do that, I'm going to line up my protractor with the vertex, that middle point. Then I'm going to use my protractor to find an angle that is bigger than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So here is 90, right? And let's see. And then here's 180, okay? So an obtuse angle, let's go for about 120 degrees right here. So here you can see where I've lined up my protractor and I made a mark on my circle with red. And here's my vertex and here's my mark. Then I'm just going to use my ruler to draw the angle. Here's my obtuse angle. I'm going to label it 120 degrees. Now we're going to draw a straight angle. First, I'm going to line up my protractor with the vertex. Okay, then I'm going to mark 180 degrees. I can see 180 degrees on my protractor, and it's on both sides. So we'll make a little mark right at 180 and 180, in my vertex. Then I just connect my dots using my straight edge. And now I have my straight angle, which I can label 180 degrees. Now we're going to draw an acute angle. Again, I'm going to line up my vertex on my protractor. And an acute angle is less than 90. So I could pick anything less. So let's go with 15 degrees. So I'm going to make my little marks. Oh, and that would be 0. And I'm going to use my straight edge to connect my dots. And then I'm going to label my degrees. 15 degrees. So cute! Okay, now this one's a little more complicated. We need to make 3 angles with a sum of 360 degrees. So when I add all of my angles up, it has to equal 360. So we could just start with, my vertex, maybe 130. So I could draw my obtuse angle. Just connect those. So it would be 130. Oh, then maybe I want to do, I don't know. Let me turn my protractor. And let's go to, well, that's at 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We'll do a 60-degree angle right here. Oh, yeah, so it's going to line up with, right next to that one. 60 degrees, so that would give me 190. And we'll do a 40 degree on this side. I'll use green. 40 degrees. Okay, then I could shade each of them in. Okay, I can make that neater. Okay, so that's what it would look like shaded in. So, 3 angles with a sum of 360. I have my 130 degree angle, my 40 degree angle, and my 60 degree angle. When I write out the sum of my angle measures, I would say 130 degrees plus 60 plus 40 equals 230 degrees. Oh, that it equals 360. Oh, I just did this wrong. That does not equal 360. That equals 230. Okay. So you guys get the idea, but we want it to equal 360. So if we're going to make it equal 360, we would have our whole circle actually shaded in. But we'd have 3 separate angles. So I might have, I don't know, 180 degrees. And so maybe this is 140 degrees and this is 40 degrees. So that would add up to 360. Okay, anyway, so that is how you would do that. So today, guys, we measured and drew angles inside of a circle. We also classified angles in a circle and learned about the reflex angle. So that is what you learned today.